So even in the colder months, this will keep me nice and warm and comfortable. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this InoKraft Heated Jacket. So this is a product overview video. So I'm going to show you all the features that it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. All right, so let's get into it. So this is how the jacket looks. It has 8 different functional pockets. You have your pocket here, you have one here, you have 4 pockets on the bottom, 2 here, and then 2 zipper pockets. And then you even have a pocket right here on the inside. It has move zipper that goes up and down. It even has Velcro on the side, on the inside, so that way it keeps it nice and secure all the way inside. This is how the inside looks. There are 4 different zones for the heating element. 2 on the chest, 1 on the neck, and then 1 on the back right here. This is where you store your battery on the bottom. So it has 2 4000 AH batteries right here. So you just slide it off. And then another good feature about these batteries is that you're able to use them as a power bank also. All you do is just plug it in here with the USB-C, and then you can use this as a battery bank. And then if you press this button here, this shows the battery life right here. So when you're ready to use it, you plug this into the base like so. So once you're ready to do it, you align this arrow with this arrow, you push it all the way in, and it snaps in, and then you press the 2 buttons to turn it on, and now you're ready to use the heating element. So here is the heating element, the swap on. When it's red, that means that it's on the high heat, and then within a few seconds, the jacket starts to heat up on the chest, on the neck, and on the back. If you press it again, it goes to medium heat, which is the yellow light, and then you press it one more time, it goes to the low heating, which is a white color. When you don't want to use the heating, you long press it. And now the heating element is off. You can see here is the hood. So the hood has a brim to it. So this will prevent any water from coming inside. The hood is also detachable. So it has a zipper here. So if you don't want to use it, you just take it off. And it even has the elastic bands if you need to make it tighter. So if you want to take off the hood, you just unsnap the button on both sides. You find the zipper, which is on this side. And now the hood is off. So now it's a jacket without the hood. This jacket also uses the advanced carbon nano material, which provides large area uniform heating for consistent warmth and superior comfort. The jacket is also water and wind resistant. And then when you're ready to wash it, all you do, you take off the battery, you take this off, put it somewhere, you close it, and you throw it in the washing machine. So you can wash this over 40 times without having to worry about it. So this is a size medium. I'm 5'10" at 150 pounds, so this fits perfectly. Nice sleeve length. It's not too tight, not too loose. I can even put a thick sweater on the inside of here also, just in case if I need it. Another great feature is that on the sleeves, you're able to adjust this area if you want to make it looser or tighter, just to prevent snow from coming inside. On the waist also, it has this elastic band right here, so you can make the waist a little bit looser or tighter. You have deep pockets, so you can store a lot of items. You have 4 different zipper pockets on the chest, on the arm sleeve, and 2 on the side right here. And then you have 2 other deep pockets on the front. This is how the inside looks. It's nice and lined. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great heated jacket. I like how well that the heating element keeps me warm all day. I also like how it has the detachable hood on top. I also like how it has the 8 functional pockets. I like how you're able to put this in the washing machine without having to worry about it getting ruined. And I like how the material is made very well. Thanks for watching.